This will just be a detailed look at and a description of. Item 3 PACK 10 feet USB-C cable, CyvenSmart 3A faster charger cable cord long premium nylon USB-C to USB-A fast charging Type-C cables compatible Samsung Galaxy S10 S9 S8 Note 8 LG V20 V30 V40 Visit the CyvenSmart store cost $7.99 purchased on Amazon's website. See below for details about this item. What you get. We provide 3 Pack Nylon Braided USB 2.0 Type-C cable, 10 feet, with 18-month and 24/7 customer service. If you have any questions, we will resolve your issue within 24 hours. USB 2.0 fast charging and data transfer. USB-C cable transfer speed up to 480 Mbps, 3A fast charging. Data transfer and power charging 2-in-1. Support from both sides can be inserted. Positive and negative insert function, can withstand 10,000 times repeatedly. Plug.it also contained 5/6K ohm resistor to protect your device from high current danger and ensure safe charging. A Euro Note not compatible with iPhone or micro USB. A Euro soft and reliable, manufactured in accordance with USB Type-C. Specifications version 1.1. Solid 2 3AWG wire core is housed within premium aluminum housing for safe and reliable charging up to 3A. Standard 5/6 key copyright pull-up resistor contained. Durable nylon braided cord. This USB-C cable has a premium nylon braided design, adds additional durability and tangle-free functions. With a tested 10,000 plus bend lifespan, this USB-C charging cable is far more dependable than others in its price range. USB-C extensive compatibility. Work with all USB Type-C devices such as Samsung Galaxy S9/S9 Plus, Note 8 S8 S8 Plus, Huawei IP10/P10 Plus, P9/P9 Plus, Mate 9/Mate 9 Pro, Nova/Nova Plus, G9 Plus, LG V30 V20 G6 G5 MacBook OnePlus 3 T2, Nexus 5X/6P Google Pixel, and other Type-C cable devices. A Euro Note. This cord alone will not provide you with fast charging alone. You will need a power block rated for fast charging and a phone capable of the same. A Euro product description. CyvenSmart important notes. This USB-C cable is USB-A to USB-C, not USB-C to USB-C. This cord alone will not provide you with fast charging alone. You will need a power block rated for fast charging and a phone capable of the same. This Type-C cable fast charging cannot connect to a micro USB port and Lightning port. Fully faster charging compatible devices. Galaxy S9 S9 Plus S8 S8 Plus/S10 HTC 10 Sony XZ LG V30 V20 G5 G6. This cable does not support high-speed charging for the following devices: Huawei iMate 9 P10, Samsung Galaxy Note 10, Note 10 Plus, Google Pixel 4, Pixel 4 XL, Pixel 3, Pixel 3 XL, Pixel 3a, iPad Pro 2018 charging. Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, S20 Ultra, Note 10, requires a QCAFC protocol charger with a 18W USB-A port I/4. The original charger is a PD fast charging with a 25W USB-C port I/4 per 1000 Google Pixel, only supports the private fast charge protocol of Google One Plus. Only support Fast Charge Protocol iPad Pro 2018, requires a USB-C to C cable to fast charge. CyvenSmart Charging and Data Sync Quick Connect and high-speed data transfer speed up to 480 mbs helps you work efficiently. Tough construction lasts longer combined with a unibody connector designed to prevent detachment. Nylon tangle-free design. Premium nylon braided Type-C cable adds additional durability and tangle-free. USB-A 2.0 to USB-C and USB-C to USB-C cable adds the strong military fiber, the most flexible, powerful, and durable material, makes tensile force increased by 200%. Faster charging with wide diameter wires and reduced cord resistance. USB-C cable provides the fastest charge any USB charger is capable of. CyvenSmart ideal choice for you and your family. The USB Type-C cable is ideal for varied occasions. You can still use your devices while charging with an adapter in your bedroom, kitchen, and at the back seat of your car. 3PACK 10 feet USB-C cable. CyvenSmart 3A faster charger cable cord long premium nylon USB-C to USB-A fast charging Type-C cables compatible for Samsung Galaxy S10, S9, S8, Note 8, LG V20, V30, V40. This item 3PACK 10 feet USB-C cable. CyvenSmart 3A faster charger cable cord long premium nylon USB-C to USB-A fast charging Type-C cables compatible for Samsung Galaxy S10, S9, S8, Note 8, LG V20, V30, V40. Product information: color 3 pack 10 feet, size 10 feet, package dimensions 12.2 x 7.8 x 0.5 inches, item weight 10.4 ounces, ASIN B07QKTLJ96.